children, welcome to online classes from Mount Basha School. As I'm English teacher, so today I'm going to take English grammar of class 2. Let's start the class. As I'm teaching you chapter 6 nouns, proper and common, in which I had taught you proper noun. So today I'm going to teach you common noun. Let's see what is written. A name common to every person or thing of the same class or kind is known as common noun. So what does it mean, student? It means a name which is common to every person or thing of the same class or kind. Mind it, same class or kind is known as common noun. For example, you can take examples: table, fruit, school, river, etc. Fruit. Here you can see fruit is given as a common noun. Fruit is a naming word or a noun. We can use fruit for may be given to any name to any fruit: apple, banana, grapes. Correct. Pineapple. So it is what it is? It is a common noun. Therefore, it is a common noun, common to all fruit. You can see here one more example. The boy is happy. In this sentence, what you see? Boy. Boy is what? Boy is the name of a person. It is a naming word. Correct. It is a naming word. It is a noun. But the name boy may be given to any boy. Maybe Ankur, maybe Deepak, Ankit, Mohit. Correct. So, it is a name common to all boys. It is therefore called a common noun. Understood? I hope so you have understood. What is a common noun? Again say with me. A name common to every person or thing of the same class or kind is known as common noun. Understood? As a river, any river, Ganga, Yamuna. So river is a common noun. School, the name school may be given to any school: Delhi Public, Mount Basha, Dhanbad Public, DAV. So school, the word school is a common noun. Understood? The word school is a common noun. And if I say Mount Basha, then it becomes proper noun, as there is a particular name of a school. But as only school is written here, so school is a common noun. I hope so you have understood what is a common noun. So today your homework is to go through up to taught. Okay? Revise, first read, understand and learn the definition of common noun. Okay? One more thing, student. If I say you differentiation Ankur ya Amit, so it will become a proper noun. While if I say boy, then it become common noun. If I say Delhi, then Delhi is a proper noun as a particular name of a particular city. Whereas if I say only city, then what it become? A common noun. If I say India, the India is a proper noun, particular name of a country. While only if I say country, then it become common noun. Understood? I hope so you have understood. Clear the concept of common noun. And homework I have already given you. Now stay home, stay safe.